Today's top 10 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. New Model Context Protocol Beta, SDKs enable stateless AI agent scaling. The new Model Context Protocol Beta SDKs introduce stateless AI agent scaling through routable transport headers and enhanced security features, with backward compatibility maintained for legacy systems. Developers can now test the two beta versions for Python and TypeScript, ahead of the final enterprise-ready specification launch on July 28, 2026. Why current LLM costs are not sustainable. Companies like Uber, Microsoft, and Salesforce are grappling with unsustainable AI costs as frontier models like GPT-5.5 charge up to $30 per million output tokens, prompting efforts to reduce spending despite AI's productivity benefits. Declining performance gains, open-weight models, hardware improvements, and zero-switching costs threaten the high pricing power of current AI labs. Port React compiler to Rust. A pull request to port the React compiler to Rust was referenced in multiple commits between June and July 2026, though the current page load error prevents full details from being accessed. The pull request remains unassigned and has not yet been merged. Symbolicating a minified stack trace by hand, why source maps can't do it alone. A developer manually decodes a minified stack trace to demonstrate that source maps alone cannot accurately recover original function names, requiring the minified bundle itself for precise symbolication. This explains why error tracking platforms require both source maps and minified bundles for accurate stack trace reconstruction. TypeScript 5.0, the strict inference flag and stable decorator metadata that actually matter. TypeScript 5.0 introduces a new strict inference compiler flag that catches unsafe type inferences previously missed by older flags, and graduates stable decorator metadata from experimental status. Developers should verify the flag's availability in their TypeScript version before implementation. Proton Drive Client is finally coming to Linux. Proton is developing a Linux desktop client for Proton Drive, built from the ground up using a new shared SDK that also improves performance across existing platforms. The company has not yet announced a release date or beta timeline for the Linux client. Fusion Programming Language. Fusion is a programming language that enables developers to create reusable components for multiple target languages including C, D, Java, JavaScript, Python, Swift, TypeScript, and OpenCL from a single codebase. The language generates lightweight, human-readable code that adheres to target language conventions and requires no virtual machine or dependencies. TypeScript 7.0 arrives with Go-based compiler and 10x speed boost. TypeScript 7.0 features a Go-based compiler with 10x performance improvements through parallelized parsing, type checking, and emitting. The release introduces strict mode by default, drops ease5 target support, and includes a rebuilt file watching system for better cross-platform development efficiency. I stopped using cloud image editors after I found this self-hosted alternative. Snapotter is an open-source, self-hosted image editing toolkit that consolidates essential image processing functions like resizing, cropping, compression, format conversion, and watermarking into a single Docker container. It offers a comprehensive alternative to cloud-based image editors while maintaining full control over data and processing. Reviving an abandoned open-source project. 6 years of Atomic Calendar revive. A developer revived the abandoned Atomic Calendar open-source project 6 years ago, transforming it into Atomic Calendar Revive with over 600 stars and 1,700 commits, now widely used in Home Assistant dashboards. The project demonstrates the challenges and rewards of maintaining popular open-source software long-term. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.